As you can see, I have a couple knives in my collection, but this one I got the other day, and I have not been able to set it down since I got it. My finger's actually bruised from flicking it, but just the sound of it clicking up or locking up is so satisfying. And it's like my most... I didn't even think I would like this knife when I ordered it, but it was $24 on Amazon. It's an eafengrow, I think it's called. But this is the way it came. Absolutely drop shutty, or fall shut. And you can thumb flick. Comes out extremely hard with hardly any effort. But the spidey flick is by far the most satisfying with this knife. Just awesome for $24. You can see in the background I got knives that were more than $24, and they're just not as satisfying. This one, there it is. So just wanted to do a quick little review video on this and how satisfying this $24 knife is, with its crazy goofy blade design, but works really good. You can choke up on it. No jiffing up here though, but awesome knife. D2 steel. Not sure if this has ever been tested or not, but it's extremely sharp. Really goofy blade design. But man, it's on ball bearings and it just flies out. And a lot of knives, when I get them, I gotta tune them just a little bit to get them to work real good. This little Kirkshaw, I never had to do nothing to. This thing, you would think that was spring assisted. It comes out so hard. But it is not. It's on ball bearings. But it's really hard to feel it. Like, I don't even think it's on ball bearings. It might be on like washers. But with the thumb flick, with little effort, man, that thing just zips out of there. Only reason it's in this video because I happen to have it in my pocket today. But you got this one. There's only one deployment method, but very satisfying sound from it. This is not all my knives. This is just the ones I grabbed to kind of have in the background for this one, because I am so impressed with this. This, I added a thumb stud to, and after doing that, it made it so friendly. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more knife reviews. But man, that thing flings out like it's spring loaded. But keep getting more and more knives in my collection every day. My favorite one to carry, one I've carried for years and years, and my go-to one has always been a Kirkshaw spring assisted for the past 20 years. This is probably my favorite one, this design. This 1881 Not the best steel in the world or anything, but feels awesome in the hand. Extremely thin, heavy, reliable, fast reaction. Doesn't have the thumb studs. Doesn't need it. Just makes it even easier to go in and out of the pocket. Upright carry. But mainly wanted to show this one in this video. I am just so impressed by the action of this. For a $24 pocket knife, you absolutely can't go wrong with this thing. Even though it looks extremely aggressive. Like, I did not think I was going to like it because of the blade design. But man, it is so fidgety. By far, it's like my most fidgety knife. I just haven't been able to set it down for the past 3 days at all. Just one-handed. So this was a lot longer than I thought. I was going to try and make this a 1-minute video. So thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.